It's me again. I'm laughing because you have no idea how many recording. Kutense, kutricky, kuwa.
Chaminuka ndimambo, chaminuka ndimambo, chaminuka ndimambo, shumba inogara yega musango. Chaminuka ndimambo, chaminuka ndimambo, chaminuka ndimambo, shumba inogara yega musango.
Hi, I am recording Chaminuka Ndimambo, my next Mbira piece, and I'm going to film bits and pieces of the process. Maybe I'll share them, maybe not, because I kind of look really bust. Oh my gosh, here goes.
It was tough, as you heard. Oh my god.
I'm losing my mind, okay? Guys, I've been at it for some hours now. Okay, another one.
I'm losing my mind.
It's me again. I'm laughing because you have no idea how many recording. Nice. Okay, nice. Makadi zvenyu. Aiwa, tiri nani. Tiri ngotambura nadzo mbira dzedu tichizama kuruka nziyo dzinotapira. Zvakaoma asi aiwa tinongoramba tichishingirira kusvika zvaita mutakunanzva watiri kutsvaka.
So to translate what I said, I was greeting everyone and saying I'm doing all right, though I've been battling with my mbira, trying to compose sweet music. It's really hectic, but I will continue going until I get to that level of perfection that I'm looking for. Hi guys, so just so I don't leave you hanging, this is the song. This is where we're at. I am the I would say I'm 50% done with this song. I might have to redo the canter because I don't really like how that voice came out. I think I would want to redo it and make it a bit stronger and more molded. I'm thinking of some verses. I was writing down some verses today. That would be really cool if this one can have verses in it instead of just the chorus and all, because the song is really rich. It tells you a lot about who Chaminuka was and the role that he played in our history as Zimbabwean people, as Shona people. So yeah, this would be really cool if we can get it to be full, but it's coming. Stay tuned, keep watching. My Mbira uploads on YouTube. Thank you. Good night. Chaminuka ndimambo, Chaminuka ndimambo, Chaminuka ndimambo, Shumba inogara yega musango. Chaminuka ndimambo, Chaminuka ndimambo, Chaminuka ndimambo, Shumba inogara yega musango. Chaminuka ndimambo, Chaminuka ndimambo, Chaminuka ndimambo, Shumba inogara yega musango. Chaminuka ndimambo, Chaminuka ndimambo, Chaminuka ndimambo, Shumba inogara yega musango. Thank you very much for watching my tabasa. If you are watching this video from any other platform that's not Instagram, so say my YouTube channel, Facebook, and I guess my WhatsApp audience, hi, then I would like to let you know that there is an IGTV series called Lady Mukumbira Journey on my Instagram page. If you like light-hearted content and you particularly love Mbira, or you just want to support me, then this is the perfect platform. Follow me on Instagram. I will see you in the next videos. I promise this song is coming soon to you, so stay tuned. If you watched this video until the end, please leave a green heart in the comment section below. Last but not least, don't be afraid to fail forward. Keep moving, keep practicing, and enjoy the journey. Bye for now.